hidden bathroom lighting you'll wish you never saw. And hey, I'm going to be doing a series of these lighting videos, one for stairs, bedroom, kitchen, and even the outside, so make sure you're following along so you don't miss out. First up is shower niche lighting. This will make your shampoo bottles look like the candy aisle in Walmart. And then you have vanity lighting. So there's a few different options here. You can go with toe kick lighting, and that's the spot underneath the vanity where all the spiders hide out. Or if you're extra fancy and have a floating vanity, lighting up the underside will really make your bathroom feel next level. And then you have vanity mirror. So the front can light up, or you can light up the backside. Either way, they both look killer. And number 3 is bathtub lighting. It'll give the illusion that your tub is floating. It's almost like you're floating inside of a floating tub. And what about toilet lighting? This is a bit over the top, but it's definitely a thing. You can light up the backside of the toilet, or, wait for it, the inside of the toilet. Nothing says first world problems like an illuminated toilet bowl. And last but certainly not least is lighting the inside vanity drawers or cabinets. Now it's a little on the bougie side.
You know what I'm saying? I got a little razzle dazzle. It's all right.
But you won't be complaining when visitors come over and you can all gather around and look at your toothbrush drawer. So let me know in the comments which one of these is a must-have for your next house and which one is ridiculous and absolutely unnecessary.